you ever look at someone and wonder what is going on inside their head?
Well, we have the product just for you!
This mind-reading spell, you need the following. A DNA sample from the target, acquired by any means necessary. To know whose mind is being read, you must have their DNA. This DNA sample is preferred to be achieved through a blood sample. The palm of a psychic. Psychics are supposedly able to read the palms of their customers. The palm provides an insight into the ways of the mind spirits. 4 shards of a crystal ball. A crystal ball can show you everything from future to past to present. The shards of the crystal ball offers a glimpse into the mind of your foe. 1 eye of an owl. Owls are known for their wisdom and their stealth. The eye of an owl portrays their vision of the mind. To look into the mind of another, you need the proper vision. It can also symbolize the Eye of Providence. The finger of a prophet. Prophets receive and carry the omniscience of God. And finally, a sprinkle of basil, because everything could use some basil. And now your potion is finished. Enjoy.
Side effects may include nausea. Your target has a 20% chance of gaining the same ability as you. You become overwhelmed with knowledge and pass out after its effects wear off. You begin to lose trust in all relationships. If overused, one will gain serious paranoia.
So now, if you ever want to look into the minds of someone else, into the mind of another, you need the prophet.
No!